Now you can order a 2020 Toyota Supra poster and ringtones for free. Here's how to do it. By going to the domain www.2020grsupra.com/poster, you will go to this page, which is a official Toyota website and gives you instructions on how to order your poster and download the ringtones. The poster highlights everything you'd want to know about the new Supra, including its important exterior dimensions and basic powertrain details. In total, there are 14 ringtones and a variety of wallpapers. The ringtones include sounds of the engine starting, shifting gears, the exhaust note, and lots more.